just over 90 seconds in. 20 seconds left on that master race clock. And we went green with 5, down to 3 in the final throws here of this lap. One more to go. White flag flying for Sparky the Gray. On to lap number 3 at a 47 and a 66. Just under that buzzer on to lap number 3. That's all good. And now there's 2 laps for Goose FPV. 2 laps in 2 minutes 25. About a second longer than the previous round effort. So a little consistency there. And now let's finish up that 3rd lap here for Sparky the Gray. Sparky the Gray, 3 laps in 2 minutes 40. And not a personal best as well. No changes there. Sparky the Gray is going to remain in the number 14 spot. Goose is going to remain in the number 30 spot. That was heat number 8. Let's go to heat number 9.